Welcome to successfultradings.com. In today's video, we are going to try to answer the question, is AMD stock a buy or sell? In order to do that, we are going to examine first the AMD stock tweet poll that we generated last week. Then we're going to take a look at the AMD option chain prior to the earning release yesterday. And finally, we are going to examine the reaction of the markets to AMD Q1 2020 earning release that took place after hours yesterday. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. All right, so here is the post that we generated on AMD StockTwits last week using this multi-year chart that span over, let's switch maybe here first, that span pretty much beginning of 2000 where AMD reached all-time high and then proceeded to a sell-off. So we were just curious about this specific chart, so we posted it since AMD has been trading at all-time high above $50 as of last week. So if we go back to this post that we generated, we had a couple of people who shared the opinion that AMD was bound to retreat, but some others, actually there was a subscriber to the AMD stock tweets that gave us a very nice explanation of what led to that sell-off in previous years back in 2000 and 2006. So in any case, so for us, so even somebody even decided to give us his opinion on AMD heading to $85 by Halloween. So that was really a very nice reaction. So the poll was a mixed poll, if to be honest. I think, but I think mostly on AMD stock tweets board community, they are mostly bullish. Really, this stock has had a remarkable run since 2016. If we go back here and focus over that period where, to my recollection, back in 2016, AMD traded as low as $2.99 back in May of 2016. And look at just all of this run. So some of those followers that we have on AMD StockTwits community, they are definitely or long-term investors that have had this stock, and therefore it's reasonable for them to feel bullish and for further upside. So that being said, let's switch and let's go to the option chain of AMD, and I wanted to point out something here. This is before market open after the earning release that took place yesterday. So I just want to do a quick thing here. Let's start with the call side. First of all, implied volatility, as we have talked in some of our articles on the blog at successfultrading.com, this implied volatility just make it that there is no way to play these option before earnings. So this is not something new if you are familiar with some of our posts on our blog. So I wanted to take a look here to see, okay, in terms of people being bullish, traders being bullish, if we say we take $50 as a starting point, I want to look at the open interest $5 above the current price. So meaning starting maybe at 55-ish or so, to look at all of this open interest. So here at 55, you had 18K open interest for this week. So all of that money will be gone. It's losing money. Even at 54, you have 24,000. So all of this, because look at where the stock is trading right now pre-market. The market will be opening in exactly 2 hours. So all of these options that you can count here in terms of open interest. So what do we have here? 40K thereabouts. Just this here, 40K plus this one, 65K plus this one. You have over 150K bullish open interest on here that will go through the drain, literally, because the stock really right now is trading $4 below that. But let's take a look at, so if we say, oh, fine, maybe there is no case for those who were bullish are going to lose. How about those who were bearish? So similarly, let's us examine $5 below the closing price yesterday. So meaning we're going to start at 45 and below. So all of these. So if you sum all of these open interest, it's about 35,000. So overall here, the summary is that most traders were bullish on AMD before this earning, and the outcome, just looking at by the number of open interest, the outcome is that actually those who traded AMD pre-earnings most likely will be losing. Either you're on the short side or on the long side as far as options are concerned. Obviously, if you shorted the stock straight up, you're getting $2.28 as of now in this pre-market. So let's take a look at the price action itself by just going to the chart of AMD. So look, the volume as of now, just literally 30 minutes into the pre-market, it's close to 500,000 shares. By the time the market opened, typically this volume could go well above 2 million. So the takeaway for us is, instead of trying to figure out if AMD stock is a buy or a sell, how about actually just trading AMD stock through options? Because we know the leverage that option provide, and there is no need to gamble pre-earnings, because given the type of volume and liquidity that the option provide, you can find setups today after the earning, either on the short side, on the put side, or on the call side, and trade it very successfully. So that's our answer, or that's our take to the question: is the AMD stock a buy or a sell? So please give us your thoughts, comment, feedback, and potentially if you have you're on AMD StockTwits, go ahead and leave us a comment over there as well. Thank you very much for your time, and see you next time. Bye bye. So welcome to